Hey, what's going on, guys? Okay, okay. Hey, what's going on, guys? Big Night here with Marquise. Whatever.
What's up, guys?
My uncle right here. Today is day 1, November 20th. We just, my uncle just thought of, me filming, for the days, cause on Thursday we going to Rock Island again on Thanksgiving. So, tomorrow is Tuesday, November 21st, and we're gonna be filming us getting the car. We probably gonna get a Dodge Durango, or what else kind of cars they got?
Chevy Traverse, stuff like that.
Okay, yeah. And what else? We're gonna be going to the mall and all that. And I'm gonna try to film. I don't know. It's kind of. I don't know. It's just kind of weird filming. I don't see how vloggers film, like their daily life and all that. And what else? What else gonna happen? We going to the airport to go pick up the car. I'm gonna film that too.
And day 1, guys.
Day 1, and tomorrow's gonna be day 2. Okay. Goodbye, guys. It was going, guys. Marquise here. Today we starting day 2 of the process. So today is day 2 when we get the car. We get the car. Any kind of car, I'm gonna film it. I'm gonna film the kind of car we get. And what else? Right now we just getting ready. I just got my clothes on and stuff with her. I'm about to put my shoes on too. And we waiting for my auntie to pick us up, me and Malik. We didn't go to school today because we want to get the car. Okay. Okay, so we at the airport right now. We just got done with the price thing. It's like 700 something.
That's the real price. But
My auntie.
What if I hadn't had the deposit? What would y'all think?
I told you.
I know $200 and something dollars.
No, I said I didn't know how much it was going to be.
Jeez, that's crazy.
The man could have told
Dang,
me
he
how much
said
it was going to be.
That's too much.
He said we about to look at the cars now.
He said we have a choice of what they have in the lot.
Where you going? Is that, wait.
He said.
A rental car is right here. Terminal.
Oh yeah. Rental car
Wait,
pick.
terminal. You're right. You're right.
Oh,
Right.
rental car pickup right there.
Enterprise is this way.
Okay. Okay, we finally get to see how the cars. I really hope they got the Dodge Durango.
Why you vlogging this?
Huh? I can't vlog. This is for memories, dude. Cars.
How much it costs?
Well, I ain't say the real price. I just said
The name?
sudden.
It's cold as hell out here.
Yeah, where are you from?
Right here.
Yes.
I mean, right in
Oh.
this area.
Yeah, the garage is
Always cold.
colder
Okay.
than out there.
Yep.
Well, let's head on out and get you in a warm car.
Okay, where's the?
Give me 2 seconds, honestly. I just gotta grab this because that customer's waiting on one of these.
Okay. Can we be looking? Where are you? So we could, because we need the biggest
cold.
one you got.
Durango?
Yeah, we have one out here.
Dodge Durango.
What's she say?
She said we got to see if we have one out.
That's a pretty
Cold.
color.
I like that color too.
Right, we can head this way. Hey, Mikey. I got one here.
Look at all these cars. BMW. Ooh, that's
You're
nice.
gonna take, get that Beamer.
That's a Beamer.
BMW, that's what it says.
I got a new BMW. Big baby. Ooh, look at this Chevy right here. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Oh, God.
Love this color of that.
The blue,
Yeah,
yes.
that's
So it's like a
pretty.
light. So I have Jeep Grand Cherokee here, and then I also have
Mm-mm. Dodge. We looking for the Durango. Like,
Yeah, he had told us what kind of vehicle.
You said that it's a premium crossover.
they don't have.
any bigger ones now.
Wait,
You vlogging too much.
you vlogging too much? How?
Those are only 5 feet.
Yeah, no, that's
They
what she said.
only have the 5 seats Dodge Durangos. We need the 7.
The Journey has seat 7.
That's too small.
I think that was too small too.
Yeah, that's too small. I know
This got 7 seats.
No, this got 5.
Oh,
But yeah, that doesn't have a third.
It doesn't have a third seat.
No.
how many seats do? Wait, what about this one? Is it? Is
That one is not available. That one's on reserve.
It's on reserve.
it's nice.
Yeah, but it's on
The
reserve.
only way you could get that one is through
That's what it is.
That's the car. Oof. Oh my God. Wait, you trying to get that Dodge right there? You trying to get that Dodge?
She got to go talk to her manager. Probably won't have any here. That'd be crazy. I got to run somewhere else. Get it in.
I like that BMW.
It's not really impressive to me.
What?
Same price. You got white Ford Expedition, same price point.
Right here?
Yep, it's a bigger vehicle. It'll absolutely fit 7. It's got some trunk room. Throw some bags back there.
Oh my gosh.
Not much nicer vehicle. Give you guys a free upgrade to it.
1, 2. Oh, wait. What?
This is the only one you have?
This is the only one that we have right now. Unless you guys want to do a minivan, or we have some SUVs. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee if you want to do that. Have it down.
We
No,
looked at that
this
one. That
fine.
was too small.
This
That's
one.
too small. You need something bigger. Yep, this will be it done for you. Let me, Trevor.
Okay. Whoa.
On to
I probably need about 20 pillows.
Expedition.
Ooh, I can't see she parking this.
Oh no.
I really gotta be careful with this one. Get a scratch on this bad boy. I ain't paying it.
That's a big old car.
It
Big
is.
car, very big car. That's
So
something
I
that
guess we
7
getting a
people
big
that's
car.
fine.
Big one. What kind of car is this?
Ford Expedition. Expedition.
Expedition. Okay.
Just see, make sure there's no scratches.
Well, Expedition.
Guess they got a little closer.
Ooh. My gosh.
This is definitely fit 7 people.
Yes. The Expedition right here. This is the car we gonna get. It's so nice inside. Bruh. Ooh. I'm trying to see 7. Oh, I do got 7 seats. Okay. That's pretty nice. I'm gonna be sitting right there. Be vlogging. It's nice. 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 Fighting on. Nice. I mean, oh, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Malik. Oh my. Oh, and it got. Oh, I'm trying to see if it got the plug in. The wall.
Oh, yeah, it got the.
Where?
control for everything.
Oh yeah, but I'm trying to see the
Wait, let me get in.
Oh, okay.
I just want to see.
Oh, I just got shot.
Bags. Oh, my
Oh,
God.
that's
This
cool.
is tight, bro.
Oh. Let's see.
The bags.
Oh, they're gonna.
So tight. I'm telling you. This bag's gonna be just. Oh my God.
Wait. Oh, okay. Okay, he locked me in. Close. Bro, it's so nice. It's so nice.
So big. Now this about to be funny seeing my Emerald drive. Now
Oh,
normally.
cause my
normally
auntie
I would
short.
laugh so hard right now.
You better not laugh.
Oh, this.
Hell, I can't even get in the thing.
I love this car.
Oh my God.
Emerald.
Auntie, come on.
Ridiculous.
This
It's
is
big.
huge.
How you make the seat?
Oh,
Want me
I
to go
love
for you?
this. Auntie, this
How
is
about you driving this one, Malik?
Uh,
You better be really, really
careful, man.
Okay.
That's ridiculous. I can't even put the seat.
Auntie, do you like this though? You like
No.
this? You don't like the car?
Too big for me.
Well, I'm saying like the interior. Do you like the interior?
I don't know. I can't see the interior. I'm so busy trying to.
Oh, they got a sunroof too.
No, keep going. Shit.
Oh my gosh, I buckled my seat.
Oh my God. I gotta see where I am. And
Oh,
okay, that's
my
good.
auntie, so
You want elbow?
so short,
Is that good?
No, I'm
Some-
good. I guess. Shit.
so nice. They got cup holders. Oh my gosh, I'm geeking out on this car.
Now you go weak out, whatever you just said.
I said
this car's
geek.
entirely too big.
Well, Malik, you know you like big cars.
I do. This is huge though.
This is a big, big car, and you gotta be really, really careful.
1019.
I don't want no people, and then I gotta get out of here. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
What did you
Other
use?
people
I just want to know.
trying to rent
Oh,
a
there.
car.
Call your mom. She done called again 100 times. I guess we'll just have to meet her home at the house.
At my house?
I guess, cause we can't trade cars in the middle of the highway.
Mhm.
Oh, mama.
Oh, I
Where
got
can
two fake.
Where can I meet her at? I don't know where she is. These
BMW.
things are. Ugh, I hate this car. I do. Do I have to stop here?
Hey, ma, where you at?
Do I have to stop with you? Yes, I would.
What-
They said everything
what'd
was
you
on the on that little piece, on that little thing where I had to sign my hand and all that. Oh, good. I'm an old-fashioned girl. I like, yeah. Okay.
Okay, well, Emerald said we can meet back at the house.
Sutton, Maryland. Yeah.
Yeah, we'll meet back at the house.
Yeah, sure. You go home if I'm gonna meet at the house.
Huh? We got the car, yeah.
All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right.
Dodge.
Yes, yes,
Oh
Mom.
my
We
God,
about to go
sure.
home now.
What did we just say?
Mom. All right, see you there.
How you?
I don't know what's
Okay.
wrong, Mom. Damn, brother.
Auntie, you looked mad.
Huh?
You looked mad up in there.
I'm
And that,
mad.
yeah.
I'm not mad. I'm just concentrating. As long as when I get out of, I don't like this thing, and then this car. You know, shoot.
It's too
It
big.
is. It's too big. It really
This
is too big for me.
Oh my gosh, this is the biggest car.
And then the guy parks right there. That is not even a parking spot. There's somebody behind me, so I gotta keep going. Keep on moving.
Ah.
Your head is right in my way, though.
Oh, sorry. I'm about. Oh no. Always
What
considerate.
kind of exit? Dang, this is crazy.
This is huge.
Then here, then here, and then straight ahead. Okay, thank you, Jesus. 'Cause I'm really not comfortable the way I'm sitting. I haven't got it the way I want it. But as long as it'll give me to the house. When Cheryl sees it, oh Jesus.
She's like, oh my God.
It's on you, honey. Y'all get a scratch on it. It is on you. I ain't paying for shit. Come on, car.
That's a big car too.
It's a GMC.
Oh yeah, this car can auto lock. You start going.
You do?
Yeah.
Well, now you can see the interior.
I know while I'm driving, I don't give a shit about the interior.
Oh. Okay.
I want to get this car to y'all, even though it's in my name, so it better be handled with care. Cam might have took up all my little money.
They said
Oh no, where went?
they only got one car with a crossover. That's kind of weird.
Well, see, they don't really save cars like they say. I used to get off right up here. How much it cost?
Let me see how I feel driving.
3 seats.
Huh? Get out. Hold on, no, don't get out. Come with us.
3 seats. You don't want to come?
Just about to drive around.
Want to come? We about to hop on the ship. You want to come?
Let me get up front.
Okay. I'm gonna stay in the back.
Hey, Marquise, open those vents.
Vents. Oh, it is called vents. Yes. I got upload some content. Oh.
I'll turn on the heat for y'all.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a love sitting in the back. Oh my God, Malik! You got a big heater right here. Oh my gosh. What are those? Okay, this is where I'm gonna be sitting once we go to Rock Island. Sitting back here by myself. I'm gonna be chilling, cruising. Let me tighten up myself. 1, 2, 3 seats. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my gosh. Gas station.
Let me break you off. If you ever can I be the one you call? If you wanna be a star, I can tell you what it costs. I was gonna put you on, I was gonna put you on, I was gonna change your life.
It is. Alright guys, that's the vlog. That's the vlog for today. We only had 2 days of the vlog for here, well, I guess. But oh gosh, I'm so cringy. That's the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and peace out. Oh wait, well, oh my gosh, wait. Tomorrow, tomorrow we gonna probably I'm gonna make the vlog for the car. The car, I don't even know the name. I forgot it. Yeah, we're gonna show you guys that. And on Thursday, we're gonna be going to Rock Island. So, yeah, peace out.